If you're applying for a green card or already have one unexpected knock at the door from ICE could turn your life upside down. Most people don't realize how quickly things can go wrong until it's too late. In this video, I'm going to show you how to protect yourself and your future if ICE ever stops you. Hello, everyone. I'm Eric Woodman, an attorney at Passage Immigration Law. We have offices in Oregon, Washington, and California. You can visit our website at passage.law or set up a consultation or subscribe to our free newsletter for regular updates, tips, and the latest immigration insights. So in this video, I'll cover what are your rights during an ICE encounter, what you should do to protect your green card case, and the most common mistakes people make. So let's start with a real-life example, changed for privacy, of course. Maria was applying for a green card through marriage. She had overstayed her visa by a few months and had no criminal history. One morning, ICE showed up at her apartment looking for someone else. When she answered the door, she panicked, answered questions she didn't need to, and ended up signing a document she didn't understand. That one decision delayed her green card case by over a year. That's why we always tell our clients, those first 5 minutes matter more than you think. What you do or don't do can affect your entire immigration case. So what should you do if ICE approaches you or shows up at your home? Let's break it down step by step. Number 1, stay calm, don't run. Even if you're scared, don't run, don't argue. Staying calm helps keep the situation from escalating. Number 2, ask, am I free to go? This is a great way to find out if you're being detained or not. If they say yes, politely walk away. If they say no, you have the right to remain silent and ask for a lawyer. Number 3, use your right to remain silent. You're not required to answer questions about your immigration status, where you were born, or how you came to the US. Instead, say this: I choose to remain silent. I want to speak to a lawyer. Number 4, carry your green card and keep a copy in a safe place. If you're a lawful permanent resident, US immigration law requires you to carry your green card with you at all times. Failing to do so can lead to legal issues if you're stopped and asked for documentation. We also recommend keeping a copy of your green card and any other important immigration documents at home. This way, if your original card is ever lost, stolen, or taken by authorities during an encounter, you'll still have a record of your status that your attorney can use to help you quickly. Number 5, carrying a Know Your Rights card. This is a small printed card that explains you're choosing to stay silent and want legal counsel. You can give this card to an officer instead of speaking. If you want or need one, you can download a free ICE encounter guide right now. The link is in the description box below. Now that you know what to do if ICE approaches you or shows up at your home, it's just as important to know what not to do. Even a small mistake can seriously hurt your case or make things worse. So let's go over some of the most common mistakes people make and how you can avoid them to stay safe and protect your future. Number 1, don't lie. Lying about your name or saying you're a US citizen when you're not is one of the worst things you can do. Even small lies can destroy your green card or citizenship options. Number 2, don't open the door without a judicial warrant. If ICE comes to your home, do not open the door unless they show you a warrant signed by a judge. Ask them to slide the warrant under the door so you can examine it. A valid judicial warrant must be signed by a judge, not an ICE or DHS officer. Must be issued by a court, not by ICE. Include your full name and correct address. Clearly state the purpose, such as arrest or search. Be current and dated recently, because an expired or old warrant is not valid. ICE cannot legally enter your home with an administrative warrant like Form I-200 or I-205. Those are not signed by a judge and do not authorize forced entry without your consent. Number 3, don't sign anything without an immigration attorney. If ICE tries to get you to sign any document, do not sign it before talking to your immigration attorney. Signing without legal counsel could mean giving up your rights, agreeing to leave the US, or harming your green card or application. Now, if you're applying for a green card, getting stopped or visited by ICE doesn't automatically mean your case is over. What matters most is how you respond, staying calm, knowing your rights, and getting legal help right away. Even if you've overstayed your visa, you might still have a path forward, especially if you're married to a U.S. citizen or qualify for a waiver. At Passage Immigration Law, we're here to support you every step of the way, whether you're applying for a green card, worried about ICE, or just need advice. And remember, the best long-term protection is U.S. citizenship. If you're eligible, we'd be honored to help you get there. Call or text us at 503-427-8243 or visit passage.law to schedule a consultation. If you know anyone who could benefit from this information, share this video because information is power. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for future updates because knowing how the system works is key to succeeding in it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video.